A typical daily training session on green horse. Now he's a young horse, but it works the same as a green horse. It's going to teach him to have a little better alignment. So I sort of over exaggerate the alignment in the direction that I'm going, and I get a little bit of forward from that inside leg as well. I'm slowly teaching him how to walk up into the bridle off my leg. Still using outside leg as support so he doesn't drift out through his rib cage. So it's on, I press him forward. If I feel him pulling on the bridle, I hold that until he releases, and then I reward him, let him go. Because he's young and green, I don't want to just let him go completely just yet for this exercise. The more I practice that and get it a bit more even, I can start to eliminate any problems later on that are going to come along from that. Because he's leaning a little bit more this side, he's less reluctant to get off this leg. So as he gets softer off this, it'll be a little bit easier for me to keep his shoulders even. Help him later on is when I start to canter to the left, he's going to want to lean in, get on his shoulder and pull on the bridle. When I go to the right, he's going to want to drift out, so he's going to be opening that circle up on that side. So if I have better control over these two circles, I can stop him from leaning through this left shoulder. And over time, because the shoulders are more even, he'll be able to drive up over his back in a straighter line. So long as he is pushing through that left shoulder, as he goes on, he'll be always trying to leave through this shoulder or drop in on this side, drift out on that side. And I can save a lot of bad habit from sneaking in there with dropped shoulders or horses leaning down through their front end.